Hello class, this is second grade, lesson 27. Okay, so let's start. Today's lesson we are going to learn how to write in written form. So the instructions say, write the number from written form to standard form. Okay, let's take a look at number 1 right here. Number 1, it says 64. Now, 64 being written like that is in written form. If you were to write in standard form, it would be 64. So when they ask for written form, they basically mean to write it in words like this, 64. However, in standard form, if it was in standard form, then it would be like this, where it's written in numbers. Okay, so there we have it, 64. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 says 205. 205 is in written form, and if you were to write in standard form, it would be 205. Okay, let's look at number 4. Number 4 says 127. Alright, let's write that in standard form. It would be 127. Okay? Let's do number 8. Number 8 says 675, and if you were to write that in standard form, it would be 75. Boom. Number 10 says 646. That would be 646. It's not too hard, not too difficult. It's pretty doable. Okay, let's go down to the next one. Here we have subtraction. Number 1 says 157 minus 23. All right, let's do it on the side. So it was 157 minus 23. Okay, so remember, when we subtract, we always start from the left side and then we move our way towards, I'm sorry. Let me say that again. When we subtract, we start from the right side and then we work our way to the left side. Okay, let's do it. So 7 minus 3, what is that? Yeah, it's 4. 5 minus 2, that is, it's 3. And 1 over here, there's nothing below 1, so we're just going to bring 1 down. So boom, our answer is 134. Alright, one more problem. Okay, so here we have number 8. 8 has 755 minus 160. Okay, let's do that. So it was 755 minus 160. Okay, so we're going to subtract this part first. So 5 minus 0, that is 5. And we have 5 minus 6. Wait, hold on. You can't keep subtracting. Why? Because this is a rule in subtraction. A number 5 is a lower number and number 6 is higher. So when you have, basically what I'm trying to say is when you have a smaller number on top of a greater number, you can't subtract straight down. You have to do something. Now I'll tell you what you have to do. So what you have to do is, let me just change it to red. You're going to take 5, right? And you're going to add 10. Remember that's a rule. You are always going to add 10 to here, to the lower number. And then you're going to go to the left. Look at its neighbor, which is 7, right? And you're going to subtract 1 to 7. Remember, you're going to add 10 to the lower number, and then you're going to go to the number on the left, right next to it, which is 7, and then you're going to take 7 and subtract it by 1. Okay, so that changes it. So 5 plus 10, that is 15. 7 minus 1, that becomes 6. All right, let's subtract. We're done with our thing, so let's subtract. So it's 15 minus 6. What's 15 minus 6? I want you guys to think about it a little bit. Okay, it's 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay, then our last step, which is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So, boom, we got our answer, 595. Okay, this is the end of the lesson, and hope to see you guys next time.